Like, share and subscribe to MomTech.
Hello, namaste and welcome back to Mom Tech. Today's video is about organizing a refrigerator or a fridge in a way that you can get the maximum efficiency of cooling. The organizing not only enables the efficiency but also saves the time that we put on search the items in the refrigerator. So let's get started.
So, the first step is emptying all the contents and decluttering to start with. Take all the bottles and the fruits and vegetables out of the refrigerator and put them aside. Now, while taking them out, check for the expiry dates of the products, or if they are expired, then you can move into trash. Now, clean with a cleaner that removes bacteria as well as controls odor for the fresh vegetables and fruits, and no odor or smell in the fridge. Refrigerator should be cleaned once in a week. Not all vegetables can be washed, but make sure to rub off the excess water before storing it to fridge for that long lasting freshness. These transparent containers are the best friend for organizing in the refrigerator. Choose the see-through containers that are airtight. Use the paper napkin at the bottom of green leafy vegetable so that it can absorb the excess water that is present in it. Never store green leafy vegetables after being washed. Seal the half cut or raw vegetables in that transparent wrap so that it cannot adhere any bacteria to its surface. Now, once again, reusing an old paper bag to place it as a mat so that it can absorb extra moisture that is present in the vegetables and keep it fresh for a longer period of time. Never store fruits with these vegetables. Fruits and vegetables should not be stored in same container because they may cause the ripening process fast due to excess gassing produced. Reserve the door for drinks, juices, condiments, etc. Put larger bottle at back and small in front. Remember, the golden rule in the fridge is if you can't see it, you can't have it. So make sure everything is visible to you when you open your fridge. The ideal temperature for a refrigerator to set is 4.4 degrees Celsius, but you can vary from 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. Store the hard cheese in the freezer zone. The upper shelf of the fridge should be reserved for the cooked and the leftover food. New stock should be placed behind the old stock. Here is a tip to keep your fridge odorless. Place some baking soda in a container. Change it every month. It will keep your fridge odorless. See the final outcome. You can store green chilies and lemon in these tiny pullback sliders. They are very easy and convenient to use. See how the fridge looks, everything neat and tidy and its place. The door of the refrigerator is the warmest place because it tends to lose its heat due to reopening of the door. So always keep those drinks or the condiments in the door. See the difference yourself in the before and after pics. Save it for later. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep sharing and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.